Hey, I'm Nate with Blue Ridge Heating and Air, and I just want to talk about the two flex ducts that are out there. This is your traditional ductwork that you see in most houses, and this is a newer antimicrobial duct that I recommend as an indoor air quality specialist. It has properties that prevent mold from being able to grow everywhere, which you sometimes see with this.